This is the best free show in Singapore this July to August. So if you're coming to Singapore soon, you need to save this guide. Mag-start na ang NDP practice pero andito pa rin ako sa Gardens by the Bay. Diyos ko Lord! Kaya if you're here in Singapore this July, every Saturday hanggang August 9, may National Day Parade practice around Padang and Marina Bay with jets, fireworks, and light show. You should not miss this out. Pero si ate mo girl, masyado naging confident sa oras. 7 p.m. but still, maliwanag pa din sa SG, nag-iikot pa rin sa Cloud Forest and Flower Garden. Kaya nung totally madilim na, dun pa lang nagmadali papuntang Helix Bridge for the best view. Pero hindi talaga ako umabot. So, sharing with you the tips here para you won't do the same mistake. In as early as 4 to 4:30, kailangan nasa Marina Bay area ka na. Hanap ka na ng perfect free viewing place. For example, ito, isi-share ko. Sa Helix Bridge, ang target location ko for full view ng jets and fireworks, pero hindi ako umabot. Esplanade Waterfront, medyo chill, less crowded. Meron din Merlion Park, kitang-kita yung skyline plus air show. Marina Barrage for wide skyline view. Jubilee Bridge for iconic walk plus fireworks. The Lawn at Marina Bay for chill picnic vibe. And Bay East Garden if photographer ka naman. If you prefer less crowded, paid viewing expenses, here's I can suggest. Singapore Flyer for fireworks display. Marina Bay Sands, Sky Park for stunning rooftop view. And these restaurants. You can book some of these places in Klook and use na lang din this discount code KLOOKGG for additional 5% discount. Next, for the timeline so you can set expectations, here I'm going to flash it. Just take a screenshot and take note since this is still a practice, all timings are subject to change. Kaya, lesson learned, huwag masyadong magtagal sa Gardens by the Bay kung gusto mo ng front row seat, mahaba ang lakaran, plus mabilis talaga ang jets and fireworks. This Saturday, ikaw na ang pinakamaagang dumating kaya set your alarm and charge your camera and ready for the best show.